Okay, so for your living room, right, I suggest for the aesthetic of your living room, we need to hide your curtain track with the curtain pelmet So it will.
Sir, I got thing to ask you.
Yes.
Why is curtain pelmet? Then why must we hide the track? Because you know right, we as a guy right, we should be open, we should be honest. We cannot hide things one.
Sir.
My teacher tell me cannot one.
Sir, I'm.
Tell me what is curtain pelmet?
Curtain pelmets, also known as a cornice board. It is a framework that is placed on top of the window to conceal the curtain tracks. Not only is it for curtains, it's also for lights. So basically, all pelmets are installed just to avoid the eyesore.
Okay, so we come to your carpentry work of your living room. We will use ABS trimming for all your door panels. So for your drawer heads and then your casement door, we will all be using the ABS trimming. It will look like very well done and very professional.
Hey, sir,
yes.
to ask you, my head got problem, is it?
Don't have.
Why you just not say trimming? Must trim one, man? I keep hearing you say trimming, don't know what head, this head, that head. Hey, I want to ask, you talking about hair salon how come you keep on talking about trimming?
No, I mean...
No, I don't understand that, sir. You must explain to me why interior design will be linked to trimming. Are you just giving an example or is it just a metaphor? Is it a term that
this guy.
I don't know, cannot be I study until so high. Cannot be. Trimming can be used in interior design?
ABS trimming is actually the rounded capping in between two pieces of wood. It ensures that your cabinet does not peel, and also it protects it against wear and tear.
Okay, sir. We come to the bedroom. Okay, bedroom we talk about flooring first. So for the flooring, you opted to do the vinyl flooring. So for the vinyl flooring, one very important thing is that the method that we use to install your vinyl flooring. Do you prefer to do a click system one or do you prefer to do a glue-on method one? What do you prefer, sir? Sir.
Just now I was visualizing what you just talked lah.
Yeah.
Got so much method one man.
Yeah.
Because I thought the flooring is like just putting the tiles on the floor, then like puzzle like that, then you must piece together.
Sir.
You see the method.
Sir.
Cannot be there. There's a lot of method there, but cannot be what your all the tools.
Sir.
What? You confused about method
The click system versus the glue system, what's the difference? Well, the glue system is typically used in a bathroom because it has water-resistant glue that is pasted on it. A click system is typically used on top of old flooring. Well, the good point about a click system is that it's easily replaced. A glue system, you have to remove it all.
Okay, sir. Moving on, after we finish your vinyl tiles, we need to do the skirting. So because
I got a question.
what thing? It's the profile that we use to lay at the perimeter of the of your room So we use the skirts You know the skirts.
Hey, I don't understand that because you one look you know I'm a guy right. I got male hormone one
I can see.
I cannot wear skirt one Why go to room must wear skirt? I don't want skirt one I want to man like that. You don't see I like that. I must man one. Cannot skirt one. Skirt no good. Especially according to my professor
I mean the.
Sir,
I mean the.
A man cannot behave like a woman. A woman cannot behave like a man because skirt is really not for guys like.
Sir, I mean the skirting of your room, the perimeter.
As previously mentioned, the click system is placed on top of old flooring. Without skirting, there might be slight movements that produces gaps. That's the reason why skirting is needed.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.